Welcome to Belmont Machinery Company. Doug Sawyer here. Today we're going to show you this 40-inch by 120-inch Kingston lathe, new in 1998. It's a model HR3000. It's got hard ways, taper attachment, 3-jaw chuck, 40-inch swing over the bed, 120-inch between centers, new all 2-axis DRO, and a 4-inch hole in the spindle. Matt's gonna take it for a spin for us.
Like 316 RPM.
Nice smooth headstock.
Feeding the cross slide in. Reversed it. And we're at the traverse.
Feeding the carriage. You need to disengage that. There we go. Also has a 2-speed quill on the tailstock. Foot brake.
This would be 90 RPM.
Machine has 2 roller type steady rests. You got chip pans with coolant, taper attachment, here's your taper clamp. Looks like we have a follow rest there too. All right, thank you guys for watching.